Welcome to this presentation titled Educational Websites, a Brief Analysis and Critique. This presentation begins with a brief overview of the extent of educational technology within the realm of curriculum design, development, and delivery before taking a closer look at three specific educational technology websites. Educational technology has an ever-increasing impact on the design, development, and delivery of curricula, curricular resources, and learning tools. The number of educational technology resources available today are numerous. They span everything from traditional books and online videos to course-building software and customizable online games that allow educators to deliver content and engage students. Let's take a quick look at a few additional ways that educational technology impacts the design, development, and delivery of curricular and learning resources. Digital availability of standards, such as the Competencies and Academic Standards Exchange from IMS Global and the Credential Transparency Development Language Achievement Standards Network from Credential Engine, allow curriculum developers and instructional designers to align course objectives and competencies with federal, state, and industry-developed educational frameworks using digital tools. Educators can also quickly and easily create curricular content with a variety of free online and digital tools, including YouTube, TED-Ed, and Google Classroom, among others. These tools are simple to use and can be effective for developing and delivering single assignments, course resources and supplements, or entire courses. Additionally, many of these tools allow educators to quickly start from existing resources to customize content for their own needs. Last, it's important to note that students have access to a wide variety of free online learning resources and tools, including open education resources from organizations like Khan Academy and Harvard University, YouTube videos, and interactive capabilities similar to those found at coolmath.com. To the extent that students have internet access, educators can and do include these and similar educational technology tools within their toolboxes when designing and developing curricular materials. The first website review is of the Office of Education Technology, or OET. OET is the official U.S. Department of Education organization responsible for developing national policy and establishing the vision for how technology can be used to transform teaching and learning and how to make anywhere, all the time learning available to all learners. OET offers excellent resources on educational technology. For instance, it provides detailed information on current DOE education technology priorities. Each of these priorities has a dedicated web page on the OET site where specific resources and relevant initiatives are chronicled. OET also includes various technical resources for different user groups within the educational domain. More specifically, students and families will find links to learning games, privacy information, and more. Teachers can access information on future-ready schools, using learning games, the Connected Educators Project, and Twitter chats for learners. Education leaders can find resources on funding strategies, featured initiatives, and professional development. Last, technology developers can access developer guidelines, developer tour information, and additional government resources for small businesses. Finally, OET website visitors can access several publications from the site, including the 2020 National Education Technology Plan and the Higher Education National Education Technology Plan. The OET website is an excellent resource for anyone needing to understand the national direction for educational technology and specific strategies and initiatives being promoted at the federal level. The Utah Coalition for Educational Technology, or USET, promotes the cooperative development and effective use of information technology in Utah's educational institutions. The USET annual conference promotes technology-enhanced learning and teaching. It is well attended and provides information and resources for educators at every grade level and subject area. The conference provides opportunities for continuing education, university and licensure credit and points, provides access to multiple educational technology vendors, and opportunities for networking and information sharing. USET awards $1,500 grants to support conference attending teachers who use technology in the classroom to employ creativity and innovation, support Utah core curriculum, demonstrate student learning and achievement, and fortify the community. USET also provides an up-to-date blog containing recommendations for learning apps and games and other valuable and professional information. And it hosts a weekly Twitter chat for Utah educators from across the state to share ideas and experience on specific topics. These communication channels offer Utah educators opportunities to expand both their professional knowledge and networks, as well as share their experiences for the benefit of others. In today's environment, educators are expected to teach students to model appropriate and responsible behavior online, digital citizenship. This means that educators need to stay up to date on the latest discussions, trends, and practices regarding digital citizenship. EdTech's dedicated digital citizenship articles offer educators the opportunity to stay abreast of professional practices. Not only will they find articles related to specific classroom practices, but they'll also learn the ins and outs of specific tools, programs, and partners. As mentioned, education technology has an ever-increasing impact on curriculum design, development, and delivery. Educators can incorporate technology in a wide range of practices, and despite still needing to improve access, students are more able to interact with online and digital resources than ever before. Educators have a responsibility to stay aware of overall educational technology strategies, practices, and professional groups associated with tools, trends, and expectations. The three websites reviewed in this presentation, OET, USET, and EdTech Focus on K-12, can help educators meet that responsibility and help promote greater use of technology in and for the classroom.